Top Solid is not a world leader by chance. Success requires specific qualities: strategic accuracy, speed when making decisions. The market is a race with formidable competitors.
Ce qui fait la différence? Les hommes et les femmes sont notre atout le plus précieux. Se sentir bien est primordial pour donner le meilleur de soi-même. Nos innovations et notre technologie en sont les fruits.
For many, this was only a dream. For Top Solid, an ambitious project. Top Solid Integrated Digital Factory. Digital solutions for the industrial challenges of tomorrow. Known for its innovative solutions, Top Solid meets the highest levels of industrial requirements to design, produce, manage. An integrated software suite that is simple and reliable, ensuring a complete digital chain from modeling to sales through to the workshop. Intended for the precision mechanics, digital engineering, woodwork, and metalwork industries. Top Solid Integrated Digital Factory oversees everything and optimizes the production chain by achieving dramatic performance improvements. Armed with knowledge, Top Solid experts are always there to listen to you. Anywhere in the world, guaranteeing and taking pride in every improvement and every productivity gain to which they contribute. Top Solid Integrated Digital Factory is a philosophy that encourages digital transformation and works towards the modernization of the industrial chain. It opens up new and promising horizons for all forms of manufacturing, wherever a machine interacts with material. The Top Solid teams maintain strong partnerships with the industrial world, as well as the research and education sectors.
Je suis particulièrement fier de représenter l'équipe Top Solid, qui à travers le monde fait savoir que l'on peut produire vite et bien. En la matière, nous ne serons jamais à court d'idées, car, comme on le dit chez nous, des idées, ça se fabrique.
And with a great number of ideas, Top Solid is helping to build the factory of the future. Top Solid, a major player in the industry of the future. Top Solid, digital solutions for the industrial challenges of tomorrow.